NB Network with Dee's Fodder.
It's time we talk. It's me, Dee. Welcome to the NB Network. Oh my goodness. I want to be peppy. Okay, we'll stop and we'll retake this. Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. See, I'm really struggling. I love doing unboxing videos, right? I have fun with them, right? I wasn't planning on doing a video today. Wasn't planning on doing this video, that's for sure. Me, oh my, oh me, oh my, oh my. I have no makeup on. Oh, I was messing around with lip gloss. I love lip gloss, so there might still be some lip gloss. Here, I'll put a little more on. There, see? Lip gloss. Yes. The scent, it'll make me happy. Okay, yeah, and I am drinking right now. But I didn't want it to be conspicuous when I poured my glass of Moscato. So it's in a coffee mug. So, today's unboxing, I wanted to try out FabFitFun because I always see these videos, you know the ones. FabFitFun, such great luxurious items you get. Oh, I love my FabFitFun box. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, right? I've been tracking this package for days. All across the US. And I thought, hey, you know what? I'll just take a peek, see the goods. Because today I was really tired. I was out of spoons. And if you don't know the spoon theory, I'll put a link down below. And, I'll make a video about that sometime too. Because I've been busting, doing lots of things for my family and my kids and making videos. I was like, okay, I'm just going to take a break Wednesday. Zone out, chillax. I was went to the Beauty Boomers live chat and had fun goofing off. And what happens? Well, part of the, when I made the purchase, I did a little add-on for fun because I thought it'd be funny and silly when I saw that FabFitFun sold this as an add-on. I thought it was humorous. It should have been a warning sign of what I was about to get in my wonderful box. And this was supposed to be for the winter edition, and we all saw the great products people got, right? Yeah. But, so I thought, oh, this will be great. My kids will get a crack out of this, my wife let, but I bought poo-poopery. Or poo-pooery. Poo-pooery. Yeah. I thought it was hilarious. You spray this just before you take your little poo. So, we're all going to go on this together. Because after I peeked and I saw just what I got, I knew I had to share. So, this was supposed to be that winter edition. Comes with this little magazine, right? And I saw horoscopes. And I believe in astrology, I'm a Taurus. Nice, grounded, stubborn. And it says, Whether it's a new restaurant or a lavish getaway, Taurus appreciates the finer things in life as a true earth sign. However, she is thoughtful of Mother Nature, making the ORG Skincare Mineral Peel Face a welcome green yet luxurious addition to her vanity. I didn't make that up. That's what it says. Don't think you really could read it, but it's there, folks. It's there. There. And I was like, well, that sucks. Peel open. You can see I tore open the seal. I used my handy dandy little X-Acto knife. I was so excited. I ripped it open. First thing I see are hair ties, rubber hair ties. Yeah, I'm gonna use that. Then I see a lipstick. Okay. That's pretty, it's not my color really, but bangles. Okay. Some nice jewelry. I like jewelry, so nice. It's a little bangle. Okay, not bad. Not bad, but you know, that's nice. Okay, you're thinking nice. Charcoal wipes. Unusual, but oh, you know. It's to cleanse and exfoliate your face. And 111 Skin Harley London Rose Gold Radiance Booster. You mix it with your moisturizer for radiance boosting. Okay. I want you to know something. I said I didn't want skincare products. I said I didn't want that. And, you know, I mentioned I had short hair, so. Weird that I got those little hair ties. And so far I've got skincare product. Oh, Dragon's Blood Hydraulic Mask. Now, Dragon's Blood, I love Dragon's Blood incense. You know, it's nice, good stuff, but face mask. Okay. Fruitier Paris Cariete Hydra Ritual Hydration Mask. Another hydrating face mask. Oh, and then the big fancy product. Yes, I got me some motherfucking wooden spoons. Oh yeah, I'm pissed. This has got to be the most depressing box subscription I've ever gotten in my life. And, you know, before I did videos, I was getting subscription boxes and, oh my God, this. Excuse me, I need my wine. FabFitFun, you're canceled, man. No. So, is this worth it? No. Now, I'd given Ipsy another chance. I don't know if I can give you one because wooden spoons. Plastic hair ties. I did need this, didn't I? So, everybody, if you liked this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, smash that down, and subscribe to the channel if you want to have more content like this. I'm sure we'll be having it, because who knows what else I've got coming around the corner. And I'll see you next time here at the NB Network. Bye!
The NB Network with Dee's Photo.